Welcome back to the third and final video in our optimization triad. Today we're going to go over project management, but first let's take a quick review over at operations and customer management. Customer management is ensuring that we build great relationships with our clients and making sure that we understand everything we need to know about them to deliver a great customer service, usually in the form of a CRM. Operations management is making sure that our team knows exactly how to do their job, and that's typically through SOPs and playbooks, making sure that the team works efficiently and consistently. And today we're going to focus on project management, which is honestly my favorite part of the optimization triad because it really is what pulls everything together and really helps us scale efficiently. So what is project management? Project management in a nutshell is making sure that every team member knows exactly what they need to work on without having to do regular check-ins, and making sure that our leaders know what's going on within their company without having to check in and understand exactly what's going on. So let's look at three key benefits of having a great project management system. The first is eliminating those check-ins. As mentioned before, if we are spending 1 or 2 hours a week in meetings, those meetings can be very expensive, especially when you have a full team in there just to check on the status of something. So a great project management tool makes sure that every person has items that are assigned to them. We can track those statuses, we can know when those items are due, and then leaders understand, they can check in at the overall progress of a project and know if something's falling off course or if they need to step in and support somebody. So a second big thing that project management software should have is dashboards. So it's great that we're tracking everything or we have individual items assigned, but leaders really get their best insights from proper dashboards. So dashboards are going to highlight any bottlenecks in the system. So if things are becoming overdue or if things are approaching overdue, you'll understand that at the dashboard, but we can also understand the projection of things. So if we can see how we're doing on day-to-day tasks and we can see potential projections of when those items will be complete, we can have a better understanding of maybe when we can bring in more business or if something's falling off track. A lot of time people think of dashboards as just typical financial trackers, which is true, but really you want to identify the successes that are going on, the consistent progress of all of your projects in one single place, as well as identifying any bottlenecks so you can continue to adjust to improve that system. Finally, with a great project management system, you can actually have great transparency with your customers. Many times when we implement ClickUp or Monday.com, we create views that we can invite our customers to that gives them insight into the progress of the project. So rather than having weekly or monthly stand-ups, you can very quickly give them access to these dashboards so they understand what's going on within the project. In many cases, if you're working with a customer, we do actually have tasks that we assign out to the customer. So rather than having emails checking in and said, hey, do you have these action items complete? If they have access to the boards where you're assigning the items out, they will also have items assigned to them and get the normal automations and updates and notifications when those are past due. So it really brings everybody in on the same page, so that way you don't have to over communicate with your customer and they're in the exact same software you're using, so you don't have to duplicate that information. So like I said, project management really is my favorite part of the optimization triad. It really sits at the core of the business with the agencies that we work with. Many times successful agencies come to us and they're inside of spreadsheets with no real automations or dashboards, and they consistently have to have daily or weekly check-ins that shows what the progress of the projects are. And that requires a lot of manual updates. So when we implement ClickUp and Monday, it allows those automations to happen and it really quickly highlights bottlenecks that our clients haven't seen before. So if you need help with your project management software, you can connect with us at theoptimizationspecialist.com/call. Let's jump on a call, learn a little bit about your project management systems and identify how we can optimize your business, giving you more time back to focus on your business and skill at the same time.